Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn subject renewable energy sources, and in this subject today we will learn on topic introduction of energy source, which is our module 1. Question number 1: renewable energy resource supply: continuous energy, intermediate energy, replaceable energy, non replaceable energy. So select the correct one. So इसका राइट आंसर आ जाएगा ऑप्शन बी, विच इज 2 and 3, इंटरमीडिएट एनर्जी एंड रेफरेंसेबल एनर्जी. ये दो एनर्जी सप्लाई करता है रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2: विच आर द रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी रिसोर्स? सोलर एनर्जी, नेचुरल गैस, बायोगैस, जियोथर्मल एनर्जी. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी 1, 3 and 4. So solar energy, biogas and geothermal energy are the renewable energy source. An erupted volcano is precisely an example of geothermal energy, renewable energy, fossil fuel energy, non-renewable energy. So right answer is option A, which is geothermal energy. Human effort are required to initiate the supply of energy in case of renewable energy source. Which one of the following renewable energy resources having maximum available energy flux? Solar radiation, wind power, geothermal या tidal energy. So right answer is solar radiation. The maximum contribution in fulfilling world energy consumption is done by coal, oil, natural gas या solar energy. So it is done by coal. The maximum contribution in power production by renewable energy source come from wind, solar, geothermal या biogas. So right answer is option A, which is wind. Which of the following statement are true regarding of renewable energy source? So right answer is option C, which is 1, 2, 3 option. It is replaceable and clean form of energy. Next, available in the abundant but in dilute form. Last is reliable source of energy. These statements are right. The world faces an energy crisis because world demand for energy will increase, world oil production will peak and begin to decline, shortage and the resulting and escalation of prices shock the economic and political order. Yeah, all of the above. So right answer is all of the above. What type of energy is derived from the heated groundwater? Solar energy, geothermal energy, hydroelectric energy, nuclear energy. So option B is right answer, geothermal energy. Solar energy stored in materials such as wood, grain, sugar and municipal waste is called as fossil fuel, biogas, biomass, geothermal energy, natural gas. So right answer is biomass. Option B is the right answer. ठीक है, ऑप्शन बी राइट आंसर है. नेक्स्ट है ऑयल ड्राइव फ्रॉम कोल, ऑयल शेल्स और टार सैंड इज कॉल्ड नेचुरल गैस, बायोगैस, सेन क्रूड, none of these. So option C is right answer, which is sand crude. Which of the following energy source does not produce carbon dioxide? Oil, uranium, coal, natural gas. So right answer is uranium. Which of the following problem is associated with the burning of coal? Acid rain, carbon dioxide emission, ash with toxic metal impurities, all of these. So right answer is all of these. Option D is right. The world has the least amount of which of the following fuel types? Oil, coal, uranium. There are roughly equal amount of each of these fuel. So right answer is option A, which is oil. ठीक है. 2/3 of the world known oil reservoir are located in Siberia, Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean, the Middle East, Indonesia. So right answer is the Middle East. Option C is the right answer. Energy resources derived from natural organic material are called geothermal energy resource, fossil fuel, biomass या all of these. So right answer is fossil fuel. What is the leading source of energy used in United States today? Coal, oil resources, natural gas, nuclear power. So right answer is option B, which is oil resources. A coal deposit that is not economically to mine today would be considered part of our dash coal reserve, coal resources, coal reservoir, none of the above, none of this. So right answer is option B, which is coal resources. The amount of oil that may become available for use is called oil reserve, reservoir, resources, trap. So right answer is option C, which is resource, oil resource. Which of the following is non-renewable energy source? Solar, methane, hydroelectric या coal? So right answer is option D, which is coal.